Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to replace the display of the Redmi Note 11 4G step by step. If your phone has a broken screen, display lines, touch issues, or a completely dead screen, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, switch off the phone completely. Never start disassembly on a powered phone, it can damage the board. Now take a SIM ejector tool and remove the SIM card tray. Then use a plastic pry tool or a guitar pick to separate the back panel. Now, unscrew all the screws securing the plastic shields. Remove the top. Disconnect the fingerprint scanner flex cable from the mainboard. Disconnect the battery first, always. This prevents any power from reaching the board while we work. Then disconnect the display flex cable. Remove the broken display. Glue underneath the broken display. Clean the frame with isopropyl alcohol or a cleaning brush. Make sure there's no dust, old glue, or glass shards. Place the new display onto the frame and press it gently into position. Carefully align the new display and place it into the frame. Start reassembling the phone. Reconnect all flex cables one by one. Display flex. Fingerprint sensor flex. Place the plastic shields back over the motherboard and battery area. Tighten all screws securely. Now place the back panel. If the original adhesive is weak, use glue or double-sided tape. Finally, insert the SIM card tray and power on the phone. And that's it, your Redmi Note 11 4G display replacement is complete. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel,